Yourself? Are you famous? Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good! How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car?
Hey, the good-looking man.
What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you fall down? Can you fly on the spaceship? Einstein, are we in trouble? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you get down? Can you sing? The most annoying sound in the world.
What are you doing?
Good. Whisper. Hard work? Yeah. Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. How about your new laugh? Is it hysterical? What would you like to say to all the nice people? Good. Time to go.
Bye.
Whoa. Whoa. You do a scary ghost.